today I'm trying boiling egg.
Hard-boiled egg.
Oh, hard-boiled egg.
It's not bad, is it?
I like it.
Finish chewing. What's happening now? Finish chewing and swallowing. Are you okay? What's wrong? Just, you gotta swallow it, honey. Can you swallow it?
It did not feel good whenever I swallowed it.
What did it feel like?
It feels like a drop was going through my throat.
So, what do you think? Do you still like it?
Kind of. There wasn't that much flavor.
Do you want to try some of the yellow?
Yeah, but first I want to try the yellow part.
Okay, try a little bit of the yellow.
No flavor.
So it's fine. It's not fine.
Yeah.
What's your final reaction?
Guys, try it, but it might not have that much flavor.
So is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
I don't really know. I'm just gonna say like a both,
Okay, one of each.
like a tie.
Okay, good. What do you want to say to everybody?
Good night, and Sister Bomb time today. Also, my sister's not feeling good, so please don't overreact. Bye, guys. Wait, before you watch this video, click all my videos. Give us a 100 thumbs up. We'll see you tomorrow.